For me, the sign installation is the finish line for a very long journey. We're extremely excited to transition from that cool building on the side of I-25 to the Vectra Bank building on the side of I-25.
The sign is the figurative and literal version of the brand, and so I think just being able to put our name on it will definitely put an end to the project and really our relocation, right? And so this has always been a vision. We tagged it as confidently moving forward through uncertain times. Once we actually get our name on the side of the building and everyone can see it, I think it's just a really proud moment for us as we get to the end of this.
It's so fun for me to hear customers and friends drive by and say, the Vectra Bank building, you can really see it. It's really helped establish our brand, and everyone here is so excited.
We have amazing visibility. We have 225,000 cars every single day that go by, and now they're going to see our brand and they're going to see our logo on the top of the building.
It was so fun the first time I saw the sign because we were assuming it was going to be great, but it was better than expected. It was bigger and brighter and more bold. And it just sort of finished everything off for us. So to see it the first time was just spectacular.